Hey there, savvy savers. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to freeze your Chase Sapphire credit card. If you've ever worried about your card getting lost, stolen, or just want an extra layer of security, freezing it is a smart move. It's like putting a digital lock on your account to prevent unauthorized transactions until you're ready to use it again. Let's dive right in. First off, why should you freeze your card? Well, it's a quick way to protect yourself from fraud. Once frozen, no one can make purchases or withdrawals, giving you peace of mind. The best part? It's reversible and doesn't affect your credit score. Now, let's get to the how. The easiest way is through the Chase mobile app. Open the app, log in with your credentials, and head to the Freeze Card option under your account settings. It's usually right there in the security section. Tap it, confirm your identity if prompted, and voila, your card is frozen instantly. If you prefer the web, log into your Chase account on their website. Navigate to the Account Services or Card Management tab, find the freeze feature, and follow the on-screen instructions. It might ask for additional verification like a code sent to your phone. Don't have access to the app or computer? No problem. Just call Chase customer service at 1-800-935-9935. Tell the representative you want to freeze your Chase Sapphire card, and they'll guide you through the process. Be ready with your account details for security purposes. A few quick tips. Remember, freezing only stops new transactions. It won't cancel recurring payments, so check those first. To unfreeze, just reverse the steps in the app, website, or by calling back. Always keep your contact info up to date with Chase so you can manage your account easily. There you have it. Freezing your Chase Sapphire card is straightforward and empowers you to stay in control. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next video.